Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 9, The Man and the Cat. Once a man was walking down the road when he saw a cat stuck in a fence, unable to escape. As the cat meowed, the man tried to free it, but the cat got scared and scratched him. The man winced in pain, but continued to try and help the cat. The cat, however, kept scratching him out of fear. Another person soon passed by, and, witnessing the sight, asked the man to let the cat be. However, the man refused and continued to help till the cat was finally free. The cat is an animal and thus instinctively scratched me. But I am a human and it is my instinct to be empathetic and help the animal. The man explained to the bystander and went on with his day. The moral in this story is to use our position to be kind and helpful whenever we can. Thank you friends for watching, hit the like, subscribe to our channel and bye for now.